मजलिस के फ्लोर लीडर अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने आज ऐवान असम्बली में डिग्री कॉलेजेस में बेहतर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और नए कोर्सेज की फराहमी के अलावा कानूनी यूनिवर्सिटीज़ के मसाइल पर हुकूमत को तवज्जो दिलाई। ऐवान असम्बली में कायदे मजलिस ने कहा कि हुकूमत ने कानूनी यूनिवर्सिटी बिल को मंजूर किया, नए यूनिवर्सिटीज़ कायम की गईं, लेकिन नई यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में दरकार इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के अलावा फैकल्टी, नॉन टीचिंग स्टाफ दस्तियाब नहीं हैं। तलबा को मुश्किलात पेश आ रही हैं। कायदे मजलिस ने बताया कि बास कानूनी इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस में ऐसे कोर्स ऑफर किए गए हैं जिसे AITC की मंजूरी नहीं है। कोर्स की तकमील के बाद तलबा को सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं दिए जा रहे हैं। अकबरुद्दीन ओवैसी ने कहा कि डिग्री कॉलेजेस में वहीं पुराने कोर्सेज पढ़ाए जा रहे हैं, नए कोर्सेज मुतारिफ किए जाने चाहिए। कायदे मजलिस ने मुतालबा किया कि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस के साथ एक इजलास तलब किया जाए ताकि इन तमाम मसाइल पर गौर किया जा सके।
जो बिल लाई गई है फर्दर टू अमेंड द तेलंगाना यूनिवर्सिटी एक्ट और स्टेटमेंट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड रीजंस ऑन पेज नंबर 3, इसमें ये लिखा गया है कि द सेक्रेटरी तेलंगाना काउंसिल ऑफ हायर एजुकेशन हैदराबाद हैड सबमिटेड अ डिटेल्ड रिपोर्ट फॉर एस्टैब्लिशमेंट ऑफ अर्थ साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ तेलंगाना, ड्यूली अपग्रेडिंग द यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग कुत्तागुडम एंड द काकतिया यूनिवर्सिटी। सर मैं आपके ज़रिए मिनिस्टर साहब से ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, ये डिटेल रिपोर्ट वाज सबमिटेड, सो हैज़ द डिटेल रिपोर्ट बीन मेड पब्लिक सर? बिकॉज आई वाज ट्राइंग टू सर्च फॉर द रिपोर्ट एज टू what is there in the report, what are the silent features of the report, and what exactly is the report saying. So that, sir, the reason for me asking is that, sir, we are establishing universities, but unfortunately, the universities do not have a proper infrastructure, nor have a required teaching staff, faculty members are not there. So, sir, universities are getting established, but, sir, after completing the courses in universities, the question arises is that why after completing the courses and having a degree or a postgraduate degrees also, the youth of our nation and also our state of Telangana, why are they not getting jobs? Why are they unemployed? So, sir, if the courses are being redesigned or, are re-looked into, so we should make sure that job opportunities are also created. It is so unfortunate that no jobs are being created and everybody is looking on government jobs. Why only on government jobs, sir? We can also have provide them with private jobs. So this is a very important thing, sir. And I would like that, if not, sir, at least a copy of that report can be given to floor leaders or to me also, so that we can study and our knowledge also will improve, sir, and we'll have more knowledge, sir. Sir, also on the same page, sir, you're duly upgrading the University College of Engineering Kuttagudam in Telangana and also create new courses, new department, sanction of teaching and non-teaching staff along with financial support, infrastructure development as per the provisions of Telangana University Act 1991, duly transferring the existing assets and liabilities including the teaching and non-teaching post of the universities of engineering Kuttagudam from the administrative control of Kakatiya University to the newly formed universities. So through you, I would like to know from Honorable Minister Saab, sir, what are the new courses which are getting created? Number of new courses. New departments. What are the new departments, sir? Sanction of teaching staff. What is the new sanction which has been given for the teaching staff, sir? And what is for the non-teaching staff, sir? And what is the financial support and infrastructure development? For the infrastructure development, is any amount being getting allocated for the improvement of all these? Is very important, sir. We are writing over here, but we are not really giving the details, sir, because, sir, infrastructure is not there, sir. But again, sir, that doesn't mean that I am against this bill. No, sir, I am not against. I will support this. We need universities. But here the question arises is that just naming and renaming is not the solution. We have to make sure that our courses compete with other renowned universities. Our courses, the courses which we offer should be equivalent to other universities. Sir, why is it that, our students wants to go abroad and have a studies in masters or do engineering courses? Why, sir? If we provide them with the quality of education here in our state, no student will be going abroad and trying to seek degrees or postgraduate degrees out of India, sir. So this is a very important issue, sir. And at the same time, sir, आप जैसे जानते हैं, sir, earlier there were mushrooming of engineering colleges, and so many engineering colleges have come up. Sir, now what we see is that there are so many seats which are lying vacant. Sir, and so much of hype was created and said that artificial intelligence. Sir, what is happening with artificial intelligence? If I am wrong, I will be corrected, sir. Through you, I would like to ask the Honorable Minister Sahab, in many engineering colleges, artificial intelligence branch seats are also lying vacant. Computer branch is also lying vacant. Sir, many branches are having seats of mechanical engineering, EEE, ECE, instrument, civil, all the seats are lying vacant. So we need to relook into it. And most important thing is that, sir, I would like to say, and I would like to thank the Honorable Minister Sahab, my learned friend, Damodar Raj Narasimha Sahab. I have earlier raised a question. Sir, there is a difference between JNT University, Usmania University, Kakatiya University as per the eligibility or promotion of a student. A meeting was called, few measures were taken, and still there are some few more corrections which are required, which are unattended. So I request that Honorable Minister Sahab do call for a meeting of all these engineering colleges. And moreover, sir, the major problem is that here we are establishing universities, government universities, but sir, now, like recently we also passed a bill about private universities and deemed to be universities. Sir, we need to have a check on these deemed to be universities also. These private universities also, sir. Sir, they are offering courses which are not approved by AICT. They are offering courses which are not approved or recognized or permission being given by the state or the other competent authorities. And they are admitting students, collecting fees. The course duration is also getting completed, but unfortunately, sir, they are not getting the degree in spite of completing the courses. So it is a very important subject, sir. It is very important that we need to relook into it. Establishing just universities is not, sir. Sir, I also have the details. I do not want to take further more time as to the total number of universities existing in our state. And what is the total number of vacancy in the universities? Teaching staff, faculty members, non-teaching staff, infrastructure requirement. Sir, universities are getting established, but there is no proper facilities. Students go to the classes, but there is no lecturer, there is no professor. And what does one do? He goes to attend, he goes to learn something, but it is so unfortunate that there is no teaching staff. So these are the very important issues which needs to be taken care. And also about engineering colleges, I am once again saying, sir, and degree colleges also, sir, in degree colleges also, sir, what are the courses, sir? Same old courses are being getting offered. BA, BCom, BSc. One is going for BSc nutrition. Chalo, nutrition mein acha hai. BCom computers. What are the new courses, sir, that we are offering? When are we going to change the curriculum, the syllabus, and offer new courses with which we can compete with her? And there is no proper blackboard or whiteboard. There is no infrastructure, sir. So this needs to be taken care, sir. I thank you very much for giving me this opportunity, sir. Thank you, sir.